Types of speeches based on purpose, delivery, level of formality, and audiences. One way of categorizing a speech is to look at its purpose. There are informative speeches and persuasive speeches. An informative speech is also called an expository speech, and its purpose is to provide information by describing, for example, an object, an event, a concept, or a process. A persuasive speech is delivered with the purpose of changing thoughts or behaviors regarding facts, policies, or principles. There are also speeches that are delivered with other purposes, for example on special occasions such as graduations or weddings. A second way to categorize a speech is to analyze the way the speaker delivers the speech. Some speakers read word for word from their manuscript, and some have memorized their manuscript, and others use notes or outlines. You will not miss a word if you read word for word from a manuscript, but the risk is that your speech turns into a boring lecture, just like this YouTube tutorial perhaps. You can focus on the audience if you have memorized your manuscript, but the downside is that you might forget something and that you will get all stressed out. I always use notes or an outline, and the benefit of this extemporaneous or casual delivery is that it's a good mix between the two previous types of reading, word for word, and having everything memorized. A third way to categorize a speech is to look at the levels of formality. Some speeches are formal in style, for example at ceremonies, funerals, and such, and some are casual, for example at dinner parties and the like, where the speaker knows the audience and is close to them. A fourth and last way to categorize a speech is to look at the types of audiences. Some audiences are friendly, eager to learn, and already on the speaker's side. Some audiences are neutral, and some audiences are uninterested. You need to describe solutions to problems that will benefit and help your audience if you're facing a skeptical audience. You can buy and download my ebook on public speaking from my website, publicspeakingebook.com. You will be able to download the ebook in different file formats. The PDF file format works on all computers and most tablets and mobile phones. The e-reader file format works on most e-readers and most tablets and mobile phones. The Kindle file format is, as you perhaps already know, only for Amazon's Kindle e-reader. Please note that my second ebook, How to Pitch Ideas, Products or Yourself, is included together with my ebook on public speaking. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial video, and best wishes for yourself when you write and deliver your speech or your presentation in the near future. Good luck.